Good morning, students. Today our topic is acids, bases and salts to the 10th class students, and in this lesson today we will discuss about reaction of acids with metal or metals. In order to perform a reaction, we require some of the apparatus and we have to perform one of the activity. So, our aim, reaction of acid with metals. Now, apparatus. What are the apparatus we require? Retort stand, test tube, delivery tube, zinc granules, HCl acid, soap water, and beaker and a matchstick. These are the requirements, or these are the apparatus we want to perform an activity. Once go through the topic. Okay. Now let us perform an activity, or let us do an activity. Retort stand, test tube. Now we have to take some pieces of zinc granules. Now pour some amount of dilute or concentrated HCl acid. After pouring of the HCl acid, hydrochloric acid, we have to close the test tube with one hole rubber cork or rubber stopper. Now, insert one delivery tube. Connect this delivery tube to the beaker of water which containing soap water. And then might be we observe bubbles and we have to put or we have to bring one burning matchstick. Okay, these are the apparatus, and let's observe what is happening here and what the reaction has been taken place. We have to arrange the apparatus. After arranging of the apparatus, what we observed in the sensor, the reaction in between hydrochloric acid and zinc granules has been taken place, and we observe slowly dissolving of zinc in HCl acid. Dissolving means karigipovadamu. Slowly we will observe that dissolving or disappearing of the zinc granules in the test tube. On the other hand, we observe some gases liberating from the test tube. Which is colorless. Colorless gas has been liberating from the test tube, and we have to collect that gas and we have to pass through the soap water. And another thing what we observed in the sensor, the burning matchstick has been put off with pop sound. These are the observations we observed while doing this activity. Now we have to know what are all the reasons for that observations. Reactions. Here we observed in the sensor, zinc is reacting with acid. One gas has been liberated here, which we call it as colorless gas. Along with that gas, we observe the dissolving of zinc in hydrochloric acid. What the thing has been reacted with acid or base, the obtained product is called as salt. Okay, now let's observe. Zinc on reacting with hydrochloric acid, we will get zinc chloride. Plus one gas has been obtained. Generally, most commonly we observe three gases regularly in our daily life. Those three all are colorless gases only. One is oxygen, hydrogen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen, which supports the fire. That means it allows the fire to burn more brightly. H2, put off the fire with the pop sound. Whereas carbon dioxide will put off immediately. So, here we observe that the gas obtained which makes the fire put off with the pop sound. That is nothing but the obtained gas here is hydrogen. That means on an average when acid reacts with metal always produces salt and H2 gas. For any acid or for any metal, the reaction is common. Okay. Once go through this. Okay, students, like this we will observe the same procedure of reacting of base with metal. The diagram is same for this reaction also, but here instead of acid we have to take a base reacting with metal. Let us consider instead of base we have to take acid, we have to take base, that is nothing but NaOH, means sodium hydroxide, and the metal is same, that means zinc. Now let's observe. Here we have to observe that how this base has been reacting with metal. Reaction of sodium hydroxide with zinc. Listen carefully. Sodium has been written like this. Here two sodiums are there, so I wrote the sodium as Na2. Next, reacting with zinc, Zn. And how many oxygens here? Two oxygens. So it becomes O2. And what left here? Hydrogen gas. The name of the compound is sodium zincate. But like acids, the bases may not react with all the metals to produce hydrogen gas. Only some of the bases only reacts with metals to produce hydrogen gas like this. So we can't able to write the generalized formula for the bases reacting with metals. Okay, students. In the next class we will discuss next topic.